Hey friends, if you wish to know more about Windows 11 device settings like changing printers, Bluetooth, etc., then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the Bluetooth and devices tab. I will keep it in three sections. So first of all, for adding any Bluetooth device, click on add a device and you can connect with the Bluetooth device, and obviously the Bluetooth should be discoverable on your system. The next section is devices. Make sure that you have the list of connected devices like the 2.4G receivers, the microphones, and any other Bluetooth device. But printers becomes a different section. If you go to printers and scanners, okay, and then you can check the list of connected printers here. They can be removed or re-added. And obviously you can check their properties and allow Windows to manage the default printer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.